I have my needle threaded with 4 strands of blue embroidery floss, and to attach the main beetle body piece to my embroidered back piece, I'm going to first come up through the embroidered shell piece and bury the knot in between the 2 layers. And then I'm going to do a tiny stitch into the blue beetle body itself, and then come back up through both the blue piece and the shell piece, and then bring my needle above it and go down through the body piece. This is called an applique stitch, and there is a diagram of this on the first page of your instructions. So I'm going to do 3 of these to attach the shell to the main body piece. And then once I complete this portion, I'm going to use that applique stitch to attach that second body piece to the other 2 pieces. So here I am lining up the belly of the beetle with the main body piece, and I want to line up my edges and use the applique stitches to attach them. And I'm essentially going to use the applique stitch around the body of the beetle, spacing them about 1/8 of an inch apart or so. And I want to keep that spacing pretty tight because I'm going to be stuffing the beetle to give it a little bit more shape, and we don't want any of this stuffing to pop out. So as I work my way around the beetle, just note how the applique stitch is wrapping around the outside edge of the beetle body, kind of encasing all of those layers. And as I work my way around to the leg portion of the beetle body, I bring up my needle to catch the embroidered section of the beetle body, and then my needle comes back up through the leg. And you can see it right here, coming up through all 3 layers of the beetle. And then the needle goes down into the leg, coming back up through all 3 layers, coming back down through the leg, coming back up through all the layers again. And since I've worked past the leg, now the applique stitch is going to wrap, basically whip around all 3 of those layers. So you're just going to repeat this all the way around the beetle, but you're going to leave a little bit of a space to stuff the beetle with the stuffing including in your kit. And here you can see I am working my way around the beetle body. Just got done with that little section of the applique stitches wrapping around all the edges, and now I'm at my leg. So the applique stitches are going to come up through the embroidered section and then pop back down through the leg, just on the outside edge of the embroidered back piece. And as I work my way around the beetle body, I'm going to leave a space on the other side of the beetle so that I can stuff it. And I'm also leaving a gap at the top because I'm going to insert the little twisted cord into the beetle's head portion so that you can use the loop to hang it up. And I will show you guys how to do that in my next video. So stay tuned.